Hey guys, what's up? It's Steve from the superprogrammer.com and I'm back with another video. And in this video I wanted to show you guys the project that I've been recently working on. And I've been using Qt Creator to make this project. So let me show you guys what I've been working on. As you can see, I have Qt Creator already opened over here. And just in case if anyone out there doesn't know what Qt Creator is, well, Qt Creator is an awesome C++ framework that you can use to create different kinds of applications and softwares, UI, and a lot of different stuffs. Well, in my case, I have been working on a game using Qt Creator. I know the moment I said it game, it really sounds interesting, right? Well, okay, let me show you guys what game I have been working on. As you can see, I hit the play button right now, I mean the run button, and the program compiles and runs, and I have the menu of my game over here, and I have an awesome mummy over here who is walking pretty smoothly. Well, let's ignore the mummy for a moment, and as you can see, we have the buttons over here: start game, game settings, audio settings, video settings, and exit game. And if we hit the start game button, as you can see, it updates the window, and then we have a maze over here. And if you don't like the maze, then we have a reset button over here, and you can use that to reset the maze completely, and you will have a completely random maze. So, and the best part about the maze is that every time a new maze appears, the maze is completely random. So you can just keep on resetting it as long as you don't find a map that you really like. So as you can see, every time I reset the button, it just loads a new maze. And as you can see, my maze, I like this maze, so I'll just gonna hit the play button over here, and the window just zooms into the first room and it places the player over there. And after that, we have our cute player over there. Well, I didn't really name her, but let's call her Laura Jr. for right now. And the player can move around left, right, up, down, and she can move diagonally as well. Well, she can move pretty much in all directions and pretty smoothly. And that's all the functions that I really added to the game till now, and I have a lot of other stuff that I am supposed to add to the game. So that's all about it. And I also added another game last year, and it's a complete game. It was an endless space shooter, and if you guys want to have a look at it as well, I'll just put the link down below so that you guys can go and have a look at it. And that's all for today's video. Well, if you guys like the video, you can hit the like and subscribe button, and if you didn't like the video, you can just write it down below and say me why you didn't like it, and I'll try to make my videos even better. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.